Hello students, today I will take the same chapter, that is Heron's formula of class 9. I have already completed 3 sums from this chapter. Today I will take several sums. Some of them are tougher, tricky sums also there. You just follow my class, follow the steps, learn what steps I am doing and how I am doing those steps. And if you apply these steps in your exam, you will get good marks. Clear? Now, today I will start from sum number 4. The perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meter. And its sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. Find the area of the triangle. Now, at first I will draw a scalene triangle. Let the vertices be A, B and C respectively. The sides opposite to the vertices A, B and C are small a, small b and small c. Let AB 5x, AC 12x, BC 13x. Since perimeter is 450, perimeter is denoted by 2s. Therefore, 5x plus 12x plus 13x equals to 450. Implies that 13 plus 12, 25 plus 5, 30. 30x equals to 450. Therefore, x equals to 450 by 30. It is 15. So, AB equal to 75 meter, AC equal to 1 equals to 13 into 15. 15 10 ja 150 and 15 3 ja 45. So 150 plus 45 195. Here you should add up this 3 so that 450 is coming. You just check. Okay, it's okay. Now semi-perimeter. S equal to 450 by 2, 225. Therefore, area according to Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 225, then 225 minus A. A is BC, 195. 225 minus B. B is AC, 180. 225 minus C. AB, 75. 225 into 30. 45. And it is 150. So how much? This is 15 into 15. 15 into 2. 15 into 3. 15 into 10. So there are 215 here. 115, 115, 215. So take out 215. Again there is 115 here. 2 into 3, 6 into 15 into 10. We can get 3 and 3 from here. So take out 3. And 2 remaining. 5. We can get also 5 from here and from here. And remaining 2 and 2. So how much? 3 into 2 to 5. 675 into 10. 6750 meter square. 6750 meter square. Yes, it's okay. The area of the triangle is 6750 meter square. Find the area of the triangle. Clear? Next problem. Problem number 5. It's a fine problem. Find the percentage increase in the area of a triangle if its each side is doubled. बहुत अच्छा प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत ही अच्छा प्रॉब्लम है. चलो बनाते हैं. लेट अस सॉल्व. First I write, find the percentage increase in the area of a triangle. If its each side is double. Let us draw a triangle first. Let the vertices be A, B and C. Opposite sides be small a, small b and small c. Now, semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So, the area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here, each side is doubled. Let the new sides be A1, B1, C1 and semi-perimeter be S1. So, delta 1 S1 minus A1 S1 minus B1 S1 minus C1. And what about S1? S1 is A1 plus B1 plus C1 by 2. by 2, that is a plus b plus c, that is 2s. So s1 equal to 2s. Now we can write here 2s minus 2a, 2s minus 2b, 2s minus 2c. How much? Taking 2 common from each part, it will be 16. S minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. And is 4 s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. That is 4 delta. So what will be the new area if the sides are doubled? The area of the triangle will be 4 times. Area of the new triangle will be 4 times the area of the original triangle. As it is proved that delta 1 equals to 4 delta. Clear? So I have completed a fine problem. Try to solve this problem. Clear? Next. Now problem number 6. The length of the sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. Find the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the side whose length is 13 centimeter. Let us draw a triangle first. Let the vertices of the triangle be capital A, capital B, and capital C. And let us assume that the opposite sides of the vertices are small a, small b and small c. From the figure, we can assume that BC is the largest side. Let us draw a perpendicular from the vertex A on BC. Let the perpendicular touches BC at D. We have to find the length of AD. Here perimeter, which is 2s, it is not given, but we can find. (13 plus 12 plus 5), 30 centimeter. So semi perimeter is how much? 30 by 2, 15 centimeter. So area delta equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. It will be 15, 15 minus 13, 15 minus 12, and 15 minus 5. So it is 15 into 2 into 3 into 10. We can write 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. It's very easy, 2 into 3 into 5. That means 30 centimeters square. We also know that area of a triangle is given by the formula half into base into height. Equal to half into base 13. We don't know the height, let it be AD. So AD equals to how much? 30 into 260 by 13. That means 4 upon 8 by 13 centimeter. Let us see. Yeah, it's right. So it was not a tough problem, easy problem. हेरोल्ड्स फॉर्मूला जो है वो डेल्टा जो फॉर्मूला है एस अंडर रूट एस एस माइनस बी एस माइनस सी बस उसको याद करने से ही, और प्रॉब्लम का जो स्टेटमेंट है अगर वो समझ में आ जाए तो इसको सॉल्व करने में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ हर्डल्स नहीं है. If you want to solve a word problem, the first thing you should do is to read the problem repeatedly. Try to understand what has been asked, what is the question, and what are those informations given. Try to sort out those informations and then do. If you can understand the inner meaning of the problem, you can do the problem very easily. Clear? Most of the students do not read the problem properly, and that's why they cannot solve the problem. You have to read 3 to 4 times, 5 times, take out the information, and then you try to solve the problem. Problem number 7. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Equilateral triangle. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. What will be the area of the signal board? So perimeter is given. A plus A plus A. Semi-perimeter is equal to 180 by 2, 90. So area ninety minus 60 90 minus 60 and 90 minus 60 again. It will be 90 into 30, 30, 30. We first take out 230, again 3 into 90, 30 means 90 means 3 into 30 and 30. So again 130 comes out of the root. It is only root 3. 900 root 3 centimeter square. Finish. Now problem number 8. I'm not writing the problem on the board. It will take time and space also. I just read out the problem. Try to understand the problem. For example, number 8. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. Triangular side wall. The sides of the walls are 122, 22 and 120. 122, it is 20 and it is 120. Let the triangular wall be A, B and C. It is small a, small b, small c. The advertisements yield an earning of ₹5,000 per meter square per year. यानी 1 मीटर स्क्वायर जो एरिया है उसमें अर्निंग होता है ₹5,000 हर साल पर ईयर में. A company hired both walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? 3 महीना के लिए रेंट लिया था कोई एक कंपनी, तो उसने कितना पे किया है. So at first we have to find out the area of the triangular region. For that we need S. S means A plus B plus C by 2, which is 122 plus 120 plus 20. It is 262. 100, 100, 200, 22, 20, 42, 62. Clear? Now delta, that means area. (131) minus 122, 131 minus 120 and 131 minus 20. How much? 131, it is 9, it is 11 and it will be 110. Very peculiar numbers. बहुत ही खराब नंबर है ये. कंपनी जो है एरिया निकालना होगा. वन 122, 120, 20, 62. ठीक है. 131. 131 को कैसे निकालें? 131 3 से जाएगा. 131 3 से जाता है. देखते हैं. 131 possible. But how? Oh, it is 22. Oh, sorry. It is 22. It is 22. It is 22. So it will be 64. It will be 32. 32. 32. 32. 32. 132. 10. It will be 12, and it is 112. Now it is in the right form. So let us find out the area. 132. What can we do? अगर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 66, यानी 6 into 11 into 2. यहाँ 10 है. Again problem. 10 है. It is 12, and here we have 112. 66. Okay, it's okay. 132. Oh, it is 22. So it will be how much? 110. Yeah. It will be 110. So 12, 6 into 11 into 2, finish. This is 10. 6 into 2, and then 11 into 2 into 5. No. We just take out the square numbers. First of all, double 6, double 11, now 1 2 here 1 2, so 2, and 10 and 10, so how much? It is 132, then 1320 meter square, I think. Yeah, meter square. Meter square. Now the question was the triangular side walls of a flyover. हो सकता है कि ये फ्लाईओवर इस टाइप का हो. तो ये और ये दोनों, तो टोटल एरिया क्या होगा? टोटल एरिया 2 into 1320 2640 सेंटीमीटर मीटर स्क्वायर, और सेंटीमीटर व्हाट? मीटर. Meter square. Now we have to find out the cost. 5000 per meter square का है 5000, तो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट है 5000. 2640 मीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट है 5000 into 2640. ये है पर ईयर. तो फॉर 12 months का खर्चा है ये 5000 into 2640. 1 month का कितना होगा? 5000 into 2640 by 12. 3 months का कितना होगा? 2640 by 12 into 3. 4 बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट 5 into 66 3,30,000 बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट। देख लेते हैं एक बार फिर से 4 से डिवाइड किए, ठीक है। फाइव इंटू 6 3, ठीक है, फिर 4 जीरो और एक जीरो आएगा 33 lakhs. So for 3 months the company has to pay 33 lakhs for the bulb. अच्छा, actually the triangles are in the form of right triangle, because if we write this way, पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट से पता चल जाता, लेकिन since we don't have any idea about this Pythagorean triplet, so I have applied this Heron's formula. Clear? But while solving, if you find that if you recognize that this is a Pythagorean triplet, so you can solve this problem very easily. How? Because in Pythagorean triplet we know that there is a base and there is a perpendicular, so half into base into height. If we apply that formula, we can easily sort out the problem, because in that case we can easily find out the area and the area multiplied by 2. After that we can find the costing also. That means the rent for 3 months. Clear? Now problem number 9. There is a triangular park. It is denoted as ABC. ABC. The sides are 120, 80 and 50. Meter. A gardener, Dhania, has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. So perimeter has to be found out. How much area does she need to plant? Yeah. Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. अच्छा, पहले तो एरिया निकालना होगा. सेमी पेरीमीटर S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, which is 120 plus 80 plus 50 by 2. 250 by 2, that is 125 meter. Delta means area. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 125 minus 120, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 50. 125 into 5 into 45 into 75. Now 625. 45 means 15 into 3 and 75 means 15 into 5. So from here we get 25, again 15 and root 15. So 25 into 15, 25 into 10 to 50 and 125, 375. 375 root 15 meter square. This is the area of the park. Perimeter, how much is the perimeter? Perimeter is 250 meter. And what will be the length of the barbed wire? It is minus 3, 250 minus 3. Length of, is it barbed wire? No, it is written only fence. Length of fence, it is 250 minus 3, that is 247 meter. And cost of fencing, $247 into 20. It will be 7 to the 14, carry 1, 9, 4 and 0. This much. This is the cost of fencing. Clear? And number 10. Problem number 10, what is that? There is a slide in a park. Slide, जो हम लोग जब छोटे थे पार्क में स्लाइड हुआ करता है, तो स्लाइड में खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है. वेरी फनी, छोटे बच्चे के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. जस्ट लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे सीढ़ी होता है, स्टेप्स, और ये स्लाइड ऐसे आता है. तो there is a slide in a park and one of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. तो उसमें साइड वॉल में लिखा हुआ है keep the park green and clean. If the side of the walls are 15, 11 and 6 meter. 15, 11 and 6 meter. Find the area. It's very easy. Let the vertices be capital A, B, C. This is A, 11 26 and 6 32 by 2, it is 16. So area is delta equal to root over s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and it is 16 into 16 minus 15, 16 minus 6 and 16 minus 11. So it will be 16 into 1 into 10 into 5. It will be 800. 800 मतलब क्या होगा 20 root 2 meter square. If you want to find out the exact value, just put root 2 equals to 1.414. Approx, very much approx, and if you multiply that 20 with 1.414, you will get the value. So it is very easy, not tough problem. Clear? I think I have done 7 problems in this episode. This is episode number 2. Clear? So you just practice the problems. तुम लोग जो है प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करो और मेरे क्लास के बारे में दोस्तों को बोलो, जो तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं जो मैथ्स सीखना चाहते हैं, इसको बोलो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, शेयर करो, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि जितना मैं मैथ्स के बारे में एक सबको सिखा पाऊंगा तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. क्लियर? सो एपिसोड 3 में और कुछ नया प्रॉब्लम से मैं सॉल्व करूँगा.